Hello guys, and today I'm going to review all the XD guns. I'm not sure if these are all of them, but I'm just guessing. But these are all the XD guns I have. So, first one is the Retaliator. I'm going to do these in order. Retaliator, Triad, and then the Strong Arm. I broke mine, but I got a replacement, which is pretty cool. It's XD, so it's better. So we'll start off with the Retaliator. The Retaliator's effective range is 30 feet. The pros and cons of this gun, which we're doing all of these basically. The pros of this gun is that the range and accuracy is really nice. I really love the range and accuracy that comes with this gun. And the other pro is that it's kind of compact. It's compact because the stock is pretty good and the accuracy just makes it better. So now let's get on to the cons. The cons has top cocking, which is like cocking down. So like this, if I could do it. Let's get it up. Now, back then when I got it, at first it did not jam. Now it seems like this is jamming more, so it looks like the gun jams. It keeps on jamming a lot. The darts keep on getting screwed up inside. So like sometimes when I take it out, the dart sometimes ends up, if I could do it like that, it kind of like gets squashed like that. It's kind of weird. It makes a weird form. And also, it's like the second generation of the Recon. Now for the Triad. The Triad's effective range is 25 feet. The sights are really, really nice. When you line them up, it's like you can line up pretty easy. And it has 3 barrels, one right here, one right here, and one right here. And this is kind of like a remake or a copy of the Jolts, because it has the same bottom piece where you prime it. So when you're shooting, and you have it like that, just prime it down and shoot. For the pros of this gun is that it's very strong and accurate, but it does have an issue though where you don't have a good dart, like this one like this one right here, the one on the right, this one, I can show you, that one, right there. It's falling out. See if you guys saw that flew out. So suggest getting a better, like these darts, the better. And then the other pro is that it's strong. The other pro is accurate, and the other pro is that the rate of fire is really nice. The cons of it is that it's square, so it's kind of bulky, but the bulkiness doesn't really do anything. It kind of just makes it a little bit more uncomfortable. But for me, I think bulkiness is fine. Well, I'm putting it as a con so people won't be all having like question mark over their head. And the other con is that I haven't experienced this problem yet, but some people say that sometimes even when they primed it down, it usually primes it back up. I haven't had that problem yet though, but it happens, which is pretty weird, but it still works. Now for the Strong Arm. The effective range of this is 32 feet. This gun has amazing range and it has really nice slam fire. I don't want to shoot this because it's nighttime. The other guns are kind of silent. This one's pretty loud. So the pros of this gun is that the Strong Arm is strong and slam fire. The other pro is that this is like the remake version of the Maverick Rev 6, except the barrel sticks out all the way, which is really nice. While the Mavericks kind of just does it like that, like 2 barrels, if you saw it very quickly. And it has a railing on the top. The Retaliator, I forgot, has one at the bottom, the top of the barrel, and one on the priming handle. I don't know why they would, because like if you would, your hand would kind of be blocking it. The Triad does not, but the Strong Arm and the Retaliator do. So the cons of this gun is that it seems to be kind of bulky, but I don't know if it is bulky or not, but it looks pretty compact, so I don't think it's bulky. The other con is that, like, sometimes it'll misfire. So, like, when you have it and then it shoots, and, like, it doesn't jam, it just misfires it. So, like, when you think you're out, there's a dart. There's only one dart that's staying in here. And that the accuracy of this gun, by the way, is not the best. On some of these guns, they are. So this is probably the perfect arsenal that you can get out of all these guns. But I would say the winner is definitely having to be the Retaliator. And for a sidearm, it's kind of difficult. But it only depends on your choice. Do you want slam fire use on a pistol? Fast rate of fire? Or would you want a rifle? Or the Retaliator? So it's really up to your choice. I can't decide which one to pick because these are amazing guns. Now I have seen a lot of people saying the XD line is just repaint, but when I shot it before, it seems to go just a bit farther. Because when I had the strong arm, it went kind of 30 feet. But the XD shoots 32, so it's not that much of a difference. But it is different, it's not too much of a difference. It's kind of weird, but you know. But I would say the winner, if I was going to pick one, I would say the Retaliator and the strong arm. The reason I'm not saying this because it has an AR issue and it's kind of weird, but you know, who cares? So the first place is Retaliator, second place strong arm, third place Triad. So if you guys like my video, I know it's kind of long and I'm talking really fast and a lot, but I'm just doing that just for you guys, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys later.